Ah, if only there was a system to assemble shower enclosures in a simple way without issues. Guess what? We've got one. It's called SMF, which in Italian stands for Easy Mounting System, invented and patented by Vismaravetro. It's a system which, thanks to an innovative extensible mechanism, allows the ideal positioning of the glass panels and simultaneously prevent water from coming out. Practically, it helps you assemble the shower cabin easily and perfectly. Awesome, don't you think? The Easy Mounting System is customizable for each model. This means you won't need to cut or modify it. It will always be perfectly sized. At Vismaravetro, this system is available for Flare, Gliss, Series 8000, Super Syntesi, Syntesi, Replay, Twin, Linnea, SKN, and bathtub screens. Made for being positioned on the shower tray before assembling the cabin, it allows to immediately get an idea of its measures, which correspond to the glass panels to be mounted, and thus the result will be optimal. Moreover, using the Easy Mounting System is ideal since it's used as a guide or template, thus ensuring the proper positioning of the uprights without taking measurements while installing the shower cabin. It's easy. Thanks to SMF, it's easy to position the glass panels, allowing to safely check the adaptability of the cabin to the shower compartment. Finally, during use, the Easy Mounting System also carries out a dam function to prevent water from coming out. Assembling a shower cabin has never been so easy. Visit our website vismaravetro.it and remember, if Vismaravetro doesn't make it, no one does.